Hello guys, it's Asma and today we will draw this beautiful gorgeous girl with the simple use of pencil. So let's start. First we will draw the shapes of the lips, nose, eyes, chin, hair. And today we will learn how to sketch a beautiful woman with the simple use of pencil first, okay? Remember this. We will draw the hair shape. But first we draw the face shape lines, then we blend all the dark lines. Blending is very important because it gives the realistic view. Here I am draw the beautiful eyebrows. And the eye. It is important to follow the few steps that will ensure a realistic and stunning results. Now I am making eyelashes. And eyeline. The pencil should be very lightly used. The basic shape lines, paying attention to the proportions of the angles and face. Here I am drawing the shape of the lips. And neck. Remember to use light touch when drawing and blending to avoid harsh lines and create a soft and feminine effects. It is very easy to create this type of beautiful girl. My video is perfect for the beginners. Blend all the dark lines of hair to give the natural and lifelike view. With the white pencil, it helps to remove the harsh lines and blend the darken area. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and like for the latest updates. Here I am drawing the shadow of the neckline. And blend it with the white pencil. Eyes. We will use a red pencil to fill the beautiful lips. To sketch a beautiful woman, with the simple use of pencil. With the patience and attention to detail, you can create a beautiful, elegant and gorgeous girl sketch. Thank you so much. Hope you like it. Bye bye.